Okay, all right. So I woke up this morning looking like a naked mole rat. Like, where did they all go? So I'm gonna have to wear sunglasses, hoodies. I can't hide this. I am going to have to go on a challenge to see how I can regrow these. I'm going to use my castor oil and see if I can thicken them and make them grow. Check out my YouTube channel and we see how that works out. Found them. These were on my pillow, and I don't know if you can see it, but you can see some hair follicles still attached to them. I'm going to use this Creole Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil. I'm going to apply it to my lashes, and hopefully the remaining lashes fall off tonight. Head over to the channel, check out the full length video on how to prevent permanent damage in the vitamin that you take to make them grow.